Do you rely on organic traffic to attract visitors to your site? Do you know if your site is well positioned in the search results? SmartBi can help. Our SEO Performance Analysis Dashboard lets you track your site's performance and know how you're ranking. The dashboard is divided into two tabs. The first tab shows you data on the keywords your visitors use to find your site in search engines. We divide the keywords into two groups: general keywords, for example, dashboards, and brand or company-related keywords, such as SmartBi. The dashboard lets you see at a glance the number of clicks a word gets, how many impressions it has, and your ranking. It's even possible to follow the evolution of a keyword over time, thanks to our multi-dimensional time chart. The second tab allows you to determine which pages of your site generate the most SEO potential and what's their average position within the search results. SEO is an efficient and inexpensive way to attract relevant customers to your website. However, competition on the web often makes it difficult to achieve quick results. By having an overall view of which keywords or pages have the best potential, you increase your chances of success. With our SEO Performance Analysis Dashboard, you will gain superpowers without having to be an heir to Zeus. For more information, contact us. Mount Olympus is more accessible than you think.